The dog has to be.
What's your name and badge number?
Look right there.
Right there? Is that what you tell the judge?
Yeah.
Right there?
Look.
Is that Thire?
Yes.
Or, yeah, that's how you spell it?
Okay.
That's awesome. Fantastic.
Now,
how do you like being a revenue collector for a tyrannical government? How do you like that?
You gotta go.
You love that? I don't have to do anything.
Yes, you do.
I don't. I'm sorry.
You're now out of the park.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I don't have to do anything. This is a public area. If you violate my rights, I'm going to sue you and your department.
You gotta go.
I do not.
Yes, you do.
I'm sorry, I don't.
You gotta go. I already told you. I gave you a warning.
Fantastic.
All I wanted you to do was just
you
put the
gave me a
thing in.
warning. He's leashed.
He wasn't before. I told you.
He's leashed now. You gave me a warning. You cannot make me leave this place.
Yes, I can.
You cannot.
Yes, I can.
Are you threatening me with arrest?
Yes, I am.
What? Zizkovsky?
Yes.
I'm going to make a complaint on you
Then
for
go
a
ahead and
threat
make
of
the
arrest
complaint.
because that's unlawful. You cannot threaten me with arrest. You can't just go around like a tyrant and threaten somebody with arrest to take their freedom away. You don't.
Now you were trespassing out here.
I'm trespassing. Can I get your supervisor? Get your supervisor.
I am the
out here.
supervisor.
Get another one.
I am the supervisor.
No, you're not. Where's your stripes at?
Right here.
Yeah, right here. Right here. Go ahead and get your supervisor, your other supervisor out here, because I'm going to make a complaint because you're wrong. And I know you're wrong. I know my rights. I know the law. You're wrong. If you violate my rights and you take me to jail, I can already sue you because you've already threatened me with arrest.
Okay.
You do understand that, right? Sir.
I hear you. I already told you. What do you got to know?
If you threaten me with arrest, your qualified immunity will be stripped, and I will sue you in a court of law.
Okay.
I know how this goes.
That's fine.
You know I'm right.
You're kind of right.
No, I am absolutely, objectively
So the problem is, Brady,
right.
you understand. I know you know the law. I know you've been to prison.
This dude's a tyrant.
It makes sense.
This dude's being a
The
tyrant.
problem is your dog's unleashed. We watched it unleashed. You're in a county park. County park
This-
rules
this-
are a
this is
section
a public.
of an ordinance.
This is public.
not the park,
I have
not on the beach
this is,
where you were at.
This is a public place. I'm on a sidewalk in the public.
You're-
If you arrest me and you allow him...
city limit, city rules state that
No.
dogs have to be leashed.
Oh, and that's
Absolutely.
fantastic. You
are
gave
on
me
city
you gave
property.
me a warning. I did that.
Exactly.
He cannot trespass me from a public place.
Oh, we can. Yeah,
no, you
absolutely.
cannot.
Yeah.
You better check the law because
Absolutely
you're not going to trespass me. Because if you do, I'm going to sue you, and you both will be on a 1983. I'm telling you right now.
You just need to go.
I'm not leaving. I will leave on my own free will. I will not have some tyrant telling me what I can and cannot do. I did not break the law. I broke, if anything, an ordinance.
Actually,
You guys are law enforcement, are you
it
not?
is an animal control law that your dog
It has to be.
A
It
law?
has to be.
Am I breaking? Is it a crime?
It is a crime.
How?
Yes.
How? What? Who's?
Leash laws.
What's
Leash
the,
laws in Michigan.
What's the injury or harm to an individual?
Leash laws in Michigan.
What is what's the injury and harm to the individual? That's an actual crime.
You're just spitting out garbage at the moment.
No, it's not garbage. That's a law, a crime. I did not I didn't commit a
We're gonna
crime.
sit here and
You're
agree
gonna
to
arrest
disagree.
me over what? Over my dog swimming?
You're being complicated just for asking to
Dude,
put on
I'm
a
not
leash.
leaving. I'm not
We asked you to put on a
allowing a tyrant to violate my rights and tell me I have to leave a
real
public
simple.
area.
We asked you
This
to
is a
put
public
We
area,
asked you to
and
put
I
on a
did
leash.
that.
Yeah, absolutely.
This dude's being a dick. I'm sorry.
Well, you're not being the best either.
Well, I don't have to. I'm not a public servant.
Well, I don't have to be either.
Well, what's your name and badge number?
Urik, I've dealt with you before.
I understand you
I know
have.
exactly who you are.
And that's fantastic. But you guys are wrong about trespassing. You cannot trespass me from a public area. Go ahead and try. I will stand right here and I will let you arrest me. And I'm going to sue you and your qualified immunity will be stripped. Just so you know, I have it on record. I have it on video. I hope your body cameras are on because you're going to go to if I go to jail, you are going to have a lawsuit and your qualified immunity will be gone.
Okay.
So
Are you going to leave or not?
If you would like to drive off and I'll leave on my own fruition, I will do that. But otherwise, I'm not leaving.
Where are you going?
Where are you going? Let me see your ID.
90. What's their number? 99, 99?
98.
They're 98, 99?
Lay down.
99, 99.
Down.
99, 99.
Lay down.
97, 06.
Lay down. Yeah, I would call somebody above you because you're going to make a huge mistake.
Okay. 99, 99.
Go ahead.
Trespassing somebody from a public area, that's hilarious. That'd be like me going to the police department and filming your cars, and then you try to trespass me from the parking lot. That's silly. You guys are absolutely
Bring out
wrong.
the south here, please.
The fact that you guys are out here revenue collecting on the citizens, harassing people, is ungodly.
1511 to available 14 unit, come north.
Hey, Phil.
Go ahead for 14.
Phil. Sit down. How's it going? Can I get your name and badge numbers?
He just switched this out.
He was already told to leave. He doesn't want to leave. So
Can I get your name and badge numbers, please?
now he's
this-
going to do this. So
this-
now we're going
this-
to end up going to the part
this-
where he's going to get arrested.
This tyrant is trying to tell me that I'm trespass on public area.
Told you you can't be out here now. You got to leave.
You,
You said no.
I'm sorry. You're incorrect.
Okay.
This is public. This would be like you. This would be like me on a sidewalk or me at the police station. If I film on the police station and you tell me to leave, I'm trespassing, and you take me to jail, I would sue you just the same. It is illegal for you guys to be tyrannical and tell me to leave a public area. This is a public sidewalk, a public pier. No, that would be the beach. I am on a public sidewalk. If you take me to jail, can I get your name and badge numbers, please?
It's Sergeant Grenon 905.
Thank you, sir. Can I get your name and badge number?
Deputy Gardner, 1686.
Also you, sir?
Pellerito 1375.
You do understand we have rights here in America.
Absolutely.
And I'm in
going
a
on, man?
public area. This tyrant right here is trying to tell me to leave a public area.
What happened? What led up?
If he arrests me, you guys will all, if you guys allow him to arrest me, I will sue each and every one of you. Your qualified immunity will be stripped, and I'll put you under a 1983 in court.
Brandon, I'm asking
If
what
you'll-
happened? What led up to this, man?
What do you mean?
Why are we here?
Well, what led up to the point where this?
My dog was swimming. He told me to leash him. I leashed him. That's it. And then he's telling me that I'm trespassed from a public area. Dude, if you...
Brandon, did you have your dog over there on the beach?
I had him, yes. I had him jumping off the pier. He ran up here. I've been doing this for a decade and never had an issue. Never had an issue. You know it, and I know it. I've been here so many times, and you've... Oh, you haven't seen my dogs jump off the pier? Come on, man. Sure you have.
I haven't. But anyways, I mean,
You
can't
have?
I have not.
Okay.
So you can't have a dog on the beach.
Fantastic. He's not anymore.
Right.
But I'm not leaving this place. If you guys want to leave and I go on my own fruition, I'm going to leave here on my own fruition. I'm not going to be told to leave a public place. If I go to the police station and I'm out in the police station looking in my cars, the public's cars, we the people's cars, and you tell me that I'm trespassed from that area, and you try
I would
to
agree that's
take
not trespass.
he's already threatened me with arrest. I can already sue him because he's threatened my freedoms and threatened to take my freedom away because of arrest.
I mean, it sounds like he's being pretty decent. I mean, he's not giving you a ticket for having the dog on the beach, right?
Well, that's fantastic, but he's trying to tell me that I'm going to go into a rape cage, a dungeon, because he doesn't like my attitude. Well, I don't like his attitude. We're free men here. We're
I'm not
free.
saying you're not.
What's the first 5 amendments? What's the first 5 articles of the First Amendment? I guarantee you don't know, and I guarantee you, actually, every one of you probably don't know the oath you swore to uphold. The fact that we're free men here, and you're trying to imprison an individual for walking on a sidewalk is.
We're prolonging this officer contact for no reason. You were asked.
Yo,
to
yeah, you're
leave.
definitely wasting tax dollars for sure.
Okay, so like, can we just keep moving? Like, just
Dude,
leave?
I'm not doing anything here, man. I've been just fine.
Okay.
My dog was off leash swimming in the water and I put him on leash. I'm not leaving because this dude said he was going to arrest me. You're either going to arrest me or I'm going to walk out of here in my own fruition.
You're good to go, unless he wants to give you a ticket. Are we writing any tickets, or are we?
I think we're at the time we're going to get a ticket.
Okay.
What's your idea?
No.
Okay.
I don't
And
have an
you're,
idea.
you're, then, what's your name?
Huh? No, I'm not giving it.
Okay. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. I've
No.
already, yes. That's the way it's going to be.
All right, man.
All right, go ahead and just put your hands behind your back. Can I hold your dog? All right, there we go.
Hey,
boys,
you guys are literally taking a good man that services the public to jail for absolutely no reason. You should feel real good about yourself, Tyrant. Real good about yourself. That is amazing. You guys should feel ashamed. You should feel ashamed of what he's doing right now. It is unbelievable.
Well, he just said he was gonna write you a ticket, right?
Unbelievable,
You gotta be
dude.
required to
That
give your
is
information.
crazy. You are going to take a man's freedom away because of nothing. It is so wild to me. The fact that you guys can walk around here and say you're doing justice to the people, serving the people. What is this serving the people? How are you serving the people? Unbelievable. Absolutely ridiculous. You guys are great public servants. I'm glad you're serving the public here.